All right, time to get started with dinner. Tonight we're gonna be making blueberry pancakes from scratch. It's an easy recipe though, I promise. As you can see, pretty simple ingredients here. Let's go over them. We'll start with the dry ingredients. All right, first things first, we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Down here we have 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using coconut sugar, but you can use whatever sugar you have available there. Now we also have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there, and also 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Here we have 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Down here we have 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And here we have 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Lastly, we have our 1 cup of frozen blueberries. You can use fresh if you want, but I'm using frozen. All right, that's it. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is combine all of our dry ingredients together. So we'll throw in our baking powder there. Here's our sugar, salt, and baking soda. And we're just gonna give it a good mix together here. Okay, so now that our dry ingredients are all mixed up and ready to go, we're gonna get started with the wet ingredients. First thing we're gonna do is add our apple cider vinegar to our plant milk here. This is going to cause a curdling effect with the milk, which is basically going to turn it into a plant-based buttermilk, which is going to make our pancakes taste delicious. So we're going to pour this in here. We're going to give it a little mix, and we're going to let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so we're going to make a little compote to put on top of our pancakes here. We're going to start with 1 cup of frozen berries and cherries. We have 2 tablespoons of agave nectar, but you can use whatever sugar you have on hand, coconut sugar, regular sugar. We have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1/4 cup of water. Now this is very simple. All we're gonna do is bring this to a boil, let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, and then that's it. All right, so our plant-based buttermilk is good to go. We've let that sit for 10 minutes now. I'm gonna add in the vanilla extract here, and then we're gonna mix everything into the big bowl here. Now, you don't wanna mix it too much. You don't wanna make it to where it's a smooth consistency. You actually do want some chunks in there, excuse me. Let me mix this up real quick. Okay. Get started here. Now give it a good mix, but again, don't over mix. You're gonna ruin the texture of the pancakes if you do that. All right, now the last thing we need to add are the blueberries. I'm gonna pop those guys in, and again, just give it a good mix. And we are now ready to get these cooking on the stovetop. So I'm pouring in the batter here, and I'm using 1/2 cup of batter for each pancake. And that ends up giving me 8 good-sized pancakes. Now we're gonna cook these on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Hey Emma, while I'm cooking these up, can you give everybody a quick nutritional breakdown of these pancakes?
Certainly, Christopher. Here's a quick nutritional summary of these scrumptious pancakes. All right, folks. Let's break it down. This meal is a nutritional powerhouse. Let me tell you why. It's high in carbs and low in fat, perfect for fueling your morning, day, or of course your evening. And fiber, brilliant for a healthy digestive system. Vitamins and minerals, vitamin C, vitamin K, essential B vitamins, calcium, iron, and potassium, all vital. Best part, oil-free, a guilt-free, satisfying and energizing meal. A big well done to you, Chris. Enjoy your pancakes, everyone.
All right, there we go. There's the finished product, ready to be eaten. And yeah, we actually have been making these pancakes quite a bit lately. This recipe is like spot on. They're super fluffy, super awesome. The vegan buttermilk like works really well. So Definitely try this. I'll have the full recipe in the description, of course. Thank you everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It's the best way to support a content creator like myself. Till next time, everyone, take care.
Hey there! Pat yourself on the back for making it this far into Chris's video. These vlogs of his can get pretty lengthy sometimes. Anyway, don't forget to like this video and please click the subscribe button. It's always free and it is the best way to support content creators like Chris the plant-based runner. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, safe travels.